So many people are saying business cards are dead in 2026. They're not dead, you're just using them wrong. Check this out. Your business card isn't a mini resume. It doesn't have to read like a fucking laundry list of all the things you do. You got limited space, so make it count. It needs 3 things. It needs your logo and/or tagline, some basic contact information, and it needs to look good. That's it. Like, look at these guys. We got sealed units, specialty, safety, tempered, wire, laminated, plexi, Lexan, colored, screen repairs, deck enclosures. Does any of that speak to a customer's emotion? Does any of that speak to who your ideal customer is? No. This one, decks, roofing, home renos, siding, soffit, fascia. Guess what? If you're everything to everybody, you're nothing to everybody. And then you got people thinking, well, what, my job's not like that, so maybe this guy can't help me. Keep it simple, okay? So you wanna have a super basic business card, logo, tagline, maintenance-free outdoor living. That's it. We're not worried about, we do fences, we do decks, we do vinyl, we do aluminum. Nobody cares. All they care about is what's in it for me. Maintenance-free, so they know they don't have to paint or stain anymore. Outdoor living, so they can spend more time outside. That's it. On the other side, you want to just have your contact information, and here we have just a little logo of an award that we won, so people know they're dealing with a high-end company. This card actually has too much contact information, and the next reiteration will have less, probably including a QR code, so that, and say something about to get a quote or to learn more, scan here, and it's a very direct call to action. They scan it, it goes to a video on your website explaining about your sales process, or it goes direct to a contact form. But really, just give them what they need. Don't have a bunch of services. Don't have a bunch of information. Don't confuse people, okay? People have a limited attention span. Work with it. Your business card needs to do 3 things. It needs to explain to your target market exactly who they are. It needs to provide them a way or for them to get in touch with you, and it needs to be clean, and that's it. You gotta remember, if you're listing out all those services, it tells people what you do, but it doesn't tell people what you do for them. This one says maintenance-free outdoor living. Pretty simple. We want people to understand that when we do work for them, they're not gonna maintenance their yard anymore, and they're gonna spend more time outside. Maintenance-free outdoor living. So no more, I do this, and this, because people don't buy what you do. People buy for how they want to feel. Buddy doesn't buy a new PVC fence because he wants to buy a new PVC fence. He's buying a new maintenance-free fence because he's tired of painting and staining his fence every year instead of being at the lake with his family. So he doesn't want you to sell him a fence. He wants you to take something away from him, the maintenance of the fence, so that he can get what he wants, which is spending time with his family. What's in it for me? Start serving your customers, and that starts with your business card. If you're ready to redesign your business card to something that actually generates leads, I want to help. We've created a simple business card template. It shows you exactly how to lay out these 3 essential elements for maximum impact. Click the link below.